If you're wondering there's a way you can claim all your receipts from a job against your tax, this is a way to do it. And it's taken from a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can go on the internet and get it. I suggest you get a copy of the book. The book's absolutely fantastic. But what there is you probably don't know, is the four different segments you can actually be in. And most people fall into the one as employed. So you're basically working for a boss, making him rich. But basically what will happen there is once you've got your wage, you get taxed, and then there's nothing else you can do with it. Now the other segments are as business owner, self-employed, and investor. So you want to be getting the opportunity to actually use them receipts to your advantage. Now if you have your own business where you can actually have a team of people employed, you can actually then use the advantage of the tax to claim that off your receipts, which I'll show in a second. Now what we've got, when you have a look at the video that one of the people in the team will actually show you to watch, you can actually get involved in our business for just £25. And then basically that gives you the opportunity to make a good couple £100 a month easily, or into thousands of pounds if you really grasp what's actually happening with it, as we're expanding in all kinds of countries in the near future. So that's, if you've never seen this segment quadrant before, that's how it works. So if you're in a job, the chance of you getting wealthy are very slim, because you've got no advantage to take of the tax or grow it past the wage that you're going to get, because your boss is not going to ever pay you more than you're worth. And it's absolutely impossible that you're just working to his standards there. So basically, to show you this in a nutshell how it works, if you've got a job, you get a wage and then he gets taxed. And then what you're left with after tax, you've got to pay your bill, your gas, electric, your car, insurance, etc., etc., etc. But if you have your own business, whatever profit you make, then you can offset that against the tax. So our opportunity, you can run alongside your job. Like I say, it's £25 to join. Have a look at the video that the person's actually showed you. But if you're wondering, it's nearly worth joining just for the tax advantages, so you can actually make a better life for yourself for the future. So get back to the person that's actually showed you, they'll explain it in more detail.